Elikliv EDM43 1000x 4.3-inch digital microscope is a powerful and versatile tool that brings the microscopic world to life on its impressive 4.3-inch LCD screen. Packed with advanced features, this microscope is designed to meet the needs of professionals, students, and enthusiasts alike. Let's delve into the key aspects that make the EDM43 a standout digital microscope. 4.3-inch LCD screen. Experience the wonders of the microscopic realm on the large 4.3-inch LCD screen. The digital microscope offers a magnification range from 50 to 1000 times, setting the standard for high-quality microscopy. The smooth rotating head enhances usability, and the fine and rough focusing precision allows rapid and intensive focusing on the specimen. 8 adjustable LED lamps. Illuminate your samples with precision using the 8 adjustable LED lamps. The built-in metal bracket ensures stability during higher power observation, minimizing vibration and keeping the specimen in the correct position. The bright and clear illumination ensures detailed and crisp images. HD2MP 1080p camera. Equipped with a high-speed 2MP sensor camera, the EDM43 delivers high-definition streaming media. Ideal for various settings, including classrooms, factories, or homes. This digital microscope allows you to record still images and videos directly to the built-in microSD slot, which comes with a generous 32GB TF card. Computer support. Connect the microscope to a computer via a USB cable and leverage the included PC software to record high-definition videos. This feature allows for magnifications ranging from 50x to an impressive 1000x, making it suitable for closely examining traditional slides or 3D samples, such as stamps, coins, insects, plants, rocks, skin, gems, circuit boards, and more. 1800 mAh rechargeable battery. The built-in 1800 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides up to 2.5 hours of continuous operation time, offering flexibility in usage. The microscope is complemented by a professional and highly adjustable support system, making it an ideal tool for amateurs, quality control inspectors, health professionals, and scientific researchers. 32GB card. With the inclusion of a 32GB microSD card, users have ample storage to save and transfer videos and photos effortlessly. The operating system supports multiple languages, including English, traditional Chinese, simplified Chinese, Japanese, French, German, Korean, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, and Polish. In conclusion, the Elikliv EDM43 digital microscope stands as a remarkable device that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. Whether you're a student exploring the microscopic world or a professional conducting detailed inspections, the EDM43 delivers exceptional performance. Its large LCD screen, adjustable LED illumination, high-definition camera, computer connectivity, rechargeable battery, and included storage make it a comprehensive and valuable tool for a wide range of applications.